Today I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty but simple 3-inch ribbon bow. So it is 3-inch ribbon and we're going to be using 25 inches today, and then obviously you need your bit of ribbon for the middle. So just put these out of the way. As you can see, got our 24 inches of 3-inch ribbon here. And I'll just put the information on the screen for you. So 3-inch ribbon, 1 times 25 inches, and we're going to go 1.5 inches up and down when we do our twists, which you'll see in a minute, and we're going to fold in the first fold at 3.5 inches. But all that information will be in the description below if you don't see it on camera, depending on what kind of way you like your information. But it's all in the description box, along with the link to join my Facebook group I'm always about, and there's always extra help and information in there if you ever need me. So we're going to start with our first piece, and we want to do our first fold. Like I said, just got a roller again, 3.5 inches. So what you do is you fold it like this, and what I also did is I heat sealed this end. So we take this one like this, and all I do is I take a couple of clips just to hold those in place, and this will help you as well. If you place your clips at the 3-inch mark, it will help you balance the bow towards the end. So turn it so that's now at the back, and then again you will want your ruler again, because we're going to go 3 inches from the centre, which is here. So 3 from there, 6 across, and you want to fold that back on your original like so, and then we fold this piece back over like this, so you get the completely folded look. And what we want to do is we're going to lift this one up by an inch and a half. This is what I was saying, the 1.5 inches. So we turn this one up, and again you want your ruler. We want that to be up 1.5 inches from our edge, which it is. And again I just take a clip, hold that in place a second, and then this side again we want to take this one, we want to turn it a bit down instead of up as we did there, and again this side we want to be taking that 1.5 inches down from this top point here, and again I do a little clip on that corner so it's all together. Then I'm just going to move these to the front to capture all the layers, and then I take it and I fold it in half so that these 2 points here line up nicely. And as you can see, that's roughly where the original 3-inch fold was when we first started. Fold that in half, and in the blue clear bit of your flame we're going to heat for creases, so we've got a guide for our stitches across the centre. Then we're going to take our thread, and I use Gooseman's extra strong thread, and we're going to do 6 stitches. So from above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in, 1, 2, out, and on the back you'll have 1, 2, 3, and this is what the back looks like, and this is what the front looks like. And obviously you can do a shorter tail, but I just like a little bit of space to cut down if I need to. So we can take our clips off now and pull our thread through to cinch, and you'll get 3 nice even creases. We're going to wrap round nice and tight. And then stitch that off in the back, and this is called an open pinwheel. There we go, all stitched off. So I can cut that out of the way now. And I think I'm going to do my tail. I'm going to cut about an inch off, maybe an inch and a half. I just like the room to sort of move if I need to. And then I'm going to do that at a straight angle. You can do a curve, you can do a spike, you can do any style you like. I just like a nice straight cut on this one at the angle. Heat seal that again in your blue clear bit of the flame. And this is the look that you will have. And then we're just going to add our clip in our centre, and we're all done. Nice simple one for us today. Well, it looks really, really pretty in solid colours. I did try it in printed ribbon, but it doesn't quite work because you get a white bit here and here. So if you wanted to do a print, you would need to double your layers, but it can be done. It just takes up a bit more ribbon. Add a dot of glue to our 9mm. I've heat sealed this as well. Right in the centre, and then we're going to wrap round twice. Open a clip back up. Round again, right on the original ribbon. Square it all up nicely. Cut that down a little bit. Heat seal again. That round, and there you go, super cute bow. I'm just going to add a little scrunch middle, and I've got a whole tutorial on how to do different ones, from knots to these scrunches to more interesting looks to your centres. And there it is. Super pretty open pinwheels, and these measure from tip to tip 7.5, well 7 and a bit inches, and obviously just over 4 wide